AI isn't just great for automation, it can also help you design, write, and create faster than you thought possible. So let's start with Framer AI. This tool is a dream for anyone who builds websites or landing pages for clients. You type a short prompt like create a modern portfolio site for a web designer, and Framer builds it on the spot. You can edit anything visually, switch up colors, and publish straight from the platform. It's fast, clean, and perfect for freelancers who want to impress clients without getting stuck in code. And if you want more control, Webflow AI gives you design freedom with smart assistants. It can rewrite your website copy, adjust layouts, and even suggest SEO improvements as you build. This gives you professional results without needing a huge design team. And it's a great fit for creative studios or small businesses that want something unique but still easy to manage. AI can also help you sound as good as you look. If you create content or videos, check out ElevenLabs. It generates realistic voiceovers that sound natural and human. You can choose from different tones or clone your own voice with your permission. And this is a really fast way to help produce consistent, high-quality audio for your videos or online ads. With tools like these, creativity becomes less about time and more about ideas. You spend less energy on repetitive work and more on things that make your brand stand out. And that brings us to the last part of this AI toolkit, pulling everything together into a system that keeps your business growing without burning you out. If you want to polish your designs even further, there's a quick tutorial linked down below that shows a few AI tricks designers are using to make their pages pop. And if you're ready to build your own AI-powered website, then check out our deep dive on the best AI website builders that is linked down below. As always, thank you so much for watching Website Planets, and if you found this video to be helpful, be sure to hit subscribe and check out that builder guide next that'll show you exactly how to get started in minutes. We'll see you in the next video.